Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn about detecting maximum and minimum values of variables, and also we will talk about some filtering options. The queries are very straightforward. For obtaining maximum, we write select max of whatever variable you want the maximum of. Here in this case, let's say we want to find out the maximum salary from user details. So the query is as follows: select max salary from user details and semicolon and then enter. As you see, the maximum salary is $500,000 in this table. For obtaining minimum, we write select minimum and minimum of the variable salary from users table. So select min salary from user details semicolon and enter. And the minimum salary is $50,000. Next, we will learn about some other ways of slicing data like in or not and between options of the where clause to slice data. Let's say in our user details table, we want to know the total salary of sales department. So when we go back and check our data set, we will see that this is the salary of Daniel and Anahi. And as you can see from designation, that their designations are sales and sales manager. And no one else other than Daniel and Anahi has sales designation. So we can do something like this, and Anahi. And then semicolon, and then enter. So as you see, their sum salary is $190,000. Let's go back and check whether it's correct or not. So Nahi has 120, Daniel has 70. So therefore 70 plus 120 is 190. So which is correct. Suppose we want to find out the total salary of all the users who are in sales or the CEO. Then the query will be like this. Here we are going to put or, and then designation is going to be equal to CEO and then semicolon and then enter. So as you see, we have now $190,000 from sales and $500,000 from CEO. We have a total sum salary of $690,000. So we just add the CEO salary to the total salary. Next, let's say we want to find out the total salary of everyone except Daniel. So I would do select and again sum salary from user details, where this time name is not equal to, this is not equal to Daniel. This is how we write the query for except Daniel. And then semicolon. And let's enter. We see that without Daniel, which Daniel has a salary of $70,000, the total salary is $1,620,000. So you can also verify this by adding it up, all the salaries except Daniel. There's another way of doing the same thing, which is similar to the in operator. So I can use something like a not in operator. So the query will look like this: select sum salary from user details, where name not in the parentheses Daniel, and then semicolon and enter. You see, we get the same result. Next, let's say we want to display name of all users whose salary is between 70 and 200, and 70 and 200 will be both inclusive. So we can write select name from user details, where in the where clause now I want salary greater than equal to 70 and less than equal to 200. That means between this range. So the query as follows: select name from user details, where salary is greater than equal to 70 and salary is less than equal to 200. This is what I'm looking for, and then we choose end. And as you see, we get the name of the people who have salary between this range: Maya, Paul, John, Daniel, Anahi, and Jennifer. And we can also check the names on the original table too, and you will realize that all have their salaries between $70,000 and $200,000. Another way to write it will be something like this. Select name from user details, where salary between 70 and 200 and semicolon and enter. So here you can see the same results. Note that most of the queries in SQL are very similar to plain English. So I would like you to practice these queries with me, and you will soon develop an intuition of the query writing skills. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will learn about limiting the data.